Okay, let's continue about exercise number 1. And this time we're going to jump to the multiplication and division. Okay, so remember all time, like whenever you're multiplying decimal numbers or a whole number with a decimal, I don't care, like whatever, like just you multiplying two numbers, one of them contain decimal point, one of them contain no decimal points, and you need to do multiplications. Remember one thing, like this multiplication is done as normal as the multiplication of the whole number. Nothing is different at all. Like when I say 2.6, 2.6, then multiply by 0.6. And this is multiplication. So normally you're just like multiplying 26 by 6. Okay, do the multiplication like you just multiply 26 by 6. When you multiply 26 by 6, you take the 6 and you multiply it by 6. 6 times 6 equal 36. 6 and you carry over the 3. And then 6 you carry over the 3. Don't forget like to carry over the 3. If you are the type of people who forgetting like carrying over the number, you can go and write the number on top here. Okay, like that. And then 6 times 2 is equals to 12, and 12 plus the 3 is equals to 15. Okay, now you see on your first number how many digits have the decimal point? You have one digit of the decimal point, which is 6. On your second number, you have also one digit of the decimal point, which is 6. So in both of them together, there are 2 digits. Here is 6 and here is 6, 2 digits. Then you count from right going to the left. 1, 2, and you put your decimal point. So the answer will be 1.56. This is how you get the answer. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes. So this one could be like the second number. It is 0.72 multiply 0.4. With the same idea, 0.72 multiply by 0.4. Or this is 0.4. Like if you try to ignore the decimal point, you'll find it is 72 times 4. Multiply by 4 normally. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. And 4 times 7 is equals to 28. This is your answer. But what you need to do is what? You see how many digits have the decimal point? Here, 7 and 2. And here, 0 and 4. All of them together, they are what? They are 4 digits. Okay, so what you need to do, go from right, go to the left, count 4 digits. 1, 2, 3. I have only 3 digits. What I have to do, like I put 0 to count it as a 4 digits, and then after that I put my decimal point, and this is how it's going to be. And I put this 0 is just like what keep the decorations of the number, but has got no any value or anything. So the answer will be 0.0288. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes. So this is regarding what? Regarding multiplications. Or what you need to do is what? Is just to deal with a number like it's a normal multiplication and that's it. Look at our number on here. We have got what? We have got this number. It is 2.31 multiplied by 0.34. Like we multiply here containing 2 digits. With the same idea, 2.31. Okay, this is the first number. You are multiplying times 0.34. As I've told you, ignore the decimal point, deal with a number like it is 231 multiplied by 34. And then go and multiply normally. Take the first number, as we know, we take the first one, we multiply by all of the number, and then after that, we take the second number and we multiply by all the number, and then we add the 2 results together. So we start with the 4. 4 times 1 equals to what? 4 times 1 equals 4. And then 4 times 3 is equal to 12, 2, and you carry over the 1. If you forget the 1, write it up, please. And then 4 times 2 is equal 8, plus the 1 that we carry over is going to be a 9. So this is my first number. It is 924. Then I'm going to the second number. And as I told you, like ignore the decimal point, that means you deal with the 3 as it is tens. So you write what? You put the 0 first, because you're multiplying by 3 and it is 34 because we ignored the decimal point. So 3 is tens. Then you multiply by what? You put the 0 of the 30 and then you multiply by 3. 3 times 1 is equals to 1. Is equal to 3. Okay. And 3 times 3 is equals to 9. And 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Please, one of the most important things, don't forget, like your numbers must be in columns. How must be in columns? Like 4 is ones, then the 0 like must be under the 4, this is 3 under the 2, and the 9 under 9, so on and so on. Then after that, you just what? You go and you add your two numbers. 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. You carry over 1. And this 1 plus the 6 is equal to 7. So this is your final answer. Now, what you need to do is what? You need to see how many digits have the decimal point for your two numbers together. Here there are two digits, 3 and 1. And here there are two digits, 3 and 4. So all of them, they are how many digits?
4.
4 digits. So what you need to do is what? You come here and you count 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the decimal point, and then this is 0. If you would like your answer to look even more accurate and more like a better correct answer, count for all the answers. Like this is the first answer you get. Also count 4 digits. 1, 2, 3. You don't have 4, 1, put 0, and then put the decimal point. This is your number. It's going to be look like that. Then you go for the second number here. Also, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and put decimal point. Okay, and this is your number. It's going to be look like that. So this is how your answer should be look like. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, but sorry, teacher, before I go to the next one. For the first one, which is 2.6.